Today we're here for the open house to see the progress as my son has been doing throughout the year. He's in orchestra, advanced orchestra, and it's amazing. I'm very happy with the type of education and encouragement that he gets from all these teachers here at De Leon Middle School.
Everything has been going great. The fact that she can balance her sports and taking upper level courses, so she's taking an 8th grade class and she's only in the 7th grade, and she's been able to get through with all her activities and her grades and keep them all up.
Well, they're having open house here at De Leon, and we like to stay involved and find out how our children are doing. We have 3 kids, and she's the middle schooler right now, so we're here talking to the teachers and seeing how everything's going.